Mars, the red planet, has long been a target for exploration and dreams of colonization. But what if we could go beyond just visiting? What if we could terraform Mars, transforming it into a habitable world with breathable air, flowing water, and thriving ecosystems? Could humanity really turn Mars into a second Earth? Let's explore the science behind terraforming Mars and the incredible challenges that lie ahead in making the red planet our new home. Terraforming means transforming a planet's environment to make it more Earth-like, creating a livable atmosphere and stable ecosystems. For Mars, this involves altering its cold, dry environment, which lacks a breathable atmosphere. Mars has polar ice caps with frozen water and a day length similar to Earth's, making it an intriguing candidate. The goal is to create conditions where humans could survive without spacesuits or enclosed habitats. The biggest challenge in terraforming Mars is its atmosphere. Mars has a thin atmosphere, mostly carbon dioxide, with almost no oxygen. This means little protection from the sun's radiation, and surface temperatures can plunge to -100 degrees Celsius. To make Mars habitable, we need to thicken the atmosphere, warm the planet, and introduce oxygen. So how can we overcome these obstacles? Terraforming Mars starts with warming the planet. Scientists suggest using giant mirrors to reflect sunlight or releasing greenhouse gases to trap heat. This could melt polar ice, creating rivers and lakes. We'd also need to thicken the atmosphere to protect against radiation. Releasing more gases from Mars's soil could help. Once the planet is warmer and the atmosphere is thicker, the next step would be to introduce oxygen. Bioengineered plants and algae can convert carbon dioxide into oxygen. Over time, these organisms could help create a breathable atmosphere. Artificial oxygen factories might speed up this process. Together, these solutions could make Mars's air breathable. Even as we work to terraform Mars, human settlers need protection from cosmic radiation. We'd live in domed habitats or underground bunkers, built with radiation shielding. These habitats rely on solar power or nuclear energy. Eventually, as Mars becomes more Earth-like, we could build cities on the surface, complete with farms, forests, and lakes. While the idea of terraforming Mars is exciting, it's important to recognize that this process would take a very long time, likely hundreds or even thousands of years. The technology to start warming the planet and releasing gases is still in its early stages, and creating a breathable atmosphere would require massive efforts over centuries. However, the first steps, like building habitats and conducting experiments with greenhouse gases, could begin in the coming decades. Terraforming Mars may be a distant dream, but it's one that scientists and engineers are actively exploring. Terraforming Mars is one of the most ambitious ideas humanity has ever dreamed of. The challenges are enormous, but the potential rewards are just as great: a new home for humanity. We may one day see the red planet transformed into a thriving, habitable world. Subscribe and hit the bell icon for more on Quantum Skies.